everyone, so what we're making today is shredded chicken with salt and ginger powder. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put some salt onto the chicken to let it steam. So here's the chicken. Got about 2 tablespoons of salt, and what you want to do is kind of just massage and just marinate, kind of spread out all the salt all around the chicken. What's important here is you should use a plate that allows for all the juices and all the water that's going to come out of the chicken. So you would want to just massage it, spread out all the salt all around. Here's what you typically a chicken goes like this, right? But you can see like it's really close, like all the meat's very close. It's gonna be very hard to cook evenly. So what I usually like to do is spread out the legs a little bit, kind of just press in the middle. You would kind of hear some of the bones cracking, which is fine. Kind of just want to flatten out the chicken a little bit like this. Alright, so now it's all nice and flat. So when we cook it, it's going to cook a lot more even. Okay. So I have my steamer ready to go in with the chicken. For this size of chicken, we're going to steam it for 25 minutes. Alright, so that was 25 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. Like I mentioned before, it's very important to use a plate that allows for all the juices and all the kind of water to come out of the chicken. You also don't want to waste all that goodness, so you can always save the sauce, and it makes for a good, very nice broth for noodles, vegetables, whatever you need. So that's okay, what it looks like. Okay. Here's an important step. So you want the chicken to stop cooking right away. No one likes dry chicken. At the restaurant, what we usually do is we will put a fan and just kind of blow on the chicken. Serves 2 purposes. It stops the chicken from cooking, and the second purpose, it makes the skin very, very crispy, which is what we want here. So we don't have a fan at home, so I'm going to put it by a windowsill and let it blow on the chicken. Let it cool down for about 30 minutes. Alright, so our chicken has been sitting out for about 30 minutes now. It's all nice and cool. Once you touch the skin, you can kind of sense that it's going to be a little bit crispier, a little bit harder, and that's the texture that we want. So let's go ahead and we're going to start shredding the chicken. So all we need for seasoning, we have the ginger salt powder and some sesame oil. So for this one chicken, what these packages look like, you're just gonna need half of it, okay? If it's the full packet, it's gonna be a little bit more too salty to my taste, so I'm just gonna use half of it. Okay. I have one already opened. So just about half of it. Okay. And then sesame oil. Okay. Let's give that a quick mix. Okay. I'm just going to drizzle it on top.